Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to fix php.exe bad image. After we turn on the laptop or computer, some pop-ups come on the screen. Looks like this. And error pop-ups are not easy to cross. PHP bad image is one of these error. Now I will fix it. Here is the location. It indicates where the error is. I will go there and delete it. This location I will find it. C users ASP app data roaming asus backup php7.dll. So we will go C drive, click users and username. Here we will go view and hidden items. Here we will go app data, roaming, and here you see the asus back php. So we will delete from here. If installing a software doesn't install completely and uninstall the software doesn't uninstall completely, then this type of error occurs. If you benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.